Hello and welcome to the Hydro Garden TV channel. In this quick video we will look at VitaLink PK. PK is a high concentrate phosphorus and potassium additive which strongly supports the blooming of buds and flowers. We recommend you use PK for 1 week only during the plant's peak flowering week. If you want even better results, we suggest you use PK after you have used Buddy, as this will give the plant an extra flowering boost. For example, you would use Buddy from bloom week 3 until peak flowering period, usually bloom week 5 or 6. Then during this time you would switch from Buddy to PK for 1 week only. After using PK for a week, you would switch back to using Buddy until bloom week 8. Do not mix Buddy and PK together at the same time, as this will cause negative effects. PK is available in our newly designed bottles in 250ml, 1 litre and 5 litre sizes. For information on schedule times, dosage rates and other products, please visit our website, Facebook and Twitter social media pages. Thanks for watching, see you next time.